Hi guys, it's Kat here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you've seen from the title, on today's episode, on today's video episode. Yeah, on today's video, I'll be focusing my three favorite pairs, which is GU Gold and NAS100. So yeah, if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, share and comment on the comment section below because more of these will be dropping very soon. So yeah, before I waste any of your time, let's go into gold. And as you can see, we are on gold on a daily time frame, and we've been bearish on this on gold. So yeah, we've been bearish, and we just hit this double bottom right here. So I'm not sure, but then yeah, we might still continue with this bearish movement. However, this has been a major support zone, so that's why I don't like predicting. However, I like to react on what price action is telling me. So as you can see, on the daily time frame, you have a major support zone here, and going to the 4 hour now. So even here on this 4 hour, I'm sorry about that, and even here on this 4 hour, we just hit a double bottom here. So, and we have these higher lows that we created just now. And another thing, we just broken this trend line here. So from what I'm seeing here, just gonna take these small buys. So meaning the price, we just broke the trend line here, and we did get a rejection. So I'm looking at the price to come up here and then possibly go there. If that happens, this will be my TP1, this will be my TP2. So what I'm looking at, it's something like this. Since we did break here, I'm looking at something like this, CP1 and CP2. So I'm looking at to capitalize on this movement as soon as the market open. Not as soon as the market open, but however, let's go here on the 1 hour, because I like to do my analysis from top to bottom. So as you can see here, these high low were created here. So like this, yeah, like this. So as you can see here, these higher lows were created. Let me do like this, text. So let's just say it's a higher low. So we have this there and this here. Okay, what am I doing? So these higher lows were created here, and obviously we have our higher highs right here. Okay, let's leave that at the moment. However, okay, cuts. So we have our major psychological area here. Major, let's just say resistance, which is right here. Which is right here. So currently what I'm looking at to continue this bullish movement, to this bullish momentum to continue from there. So this would be my TP1 and this TP2. That's what I'm looking at gold right now. Let's do like this. So as you can see, price have been trying to create this channel here. So well, let's just wait and see, because I don't like to like predict charts. I just look at the possible options that I have, you understand? So if we don't get that, we'll wait for price to break down here. If maybe I'll start uh, I'll start buying right here. So if we do break maybe the structure here, if we do get the structure here, I'll start placing my buys here, and maybe that would be my TP1, TP1, TP1. That would be my TP1 right here, and TP2 right here. TP1 and TP2 right here. Take profit 1, take profit 2. So on gold, guys, that's what I'm looking at. And however, remember, this is option 1. If that doesn't happen, we'll wait for this high low to be broken. Maybe let's say the market opens, maybe shoot down, and that's completely fine as well. That's completely fine as well. Okay, let me quickly do this. Screenshot this. And if that doesn't happen as well, another possible option that might happen. Remember, guys, this is the market, so we only react to the market. So now maybe if we break this low here. If it happens that we break this low here, right here, structure will be broken, and I'll start selling here. I'll start selling here, place my sales here. Remember, guys, you can do anything that you want. Then that's my TP1. Then I'll wait for price maybe to break this lows here, this major support here. Then continue going upside. But remember, guys, this has been bullish on a bigger time frame. So this has been bearish on a bigger time frame. So if maybe we start breaking this major zone here, this major resistance here, and even break this trend line, then we can start placing those buys that we can scale our buys. That's just me on gold, guys, and remember, you have your own opinion as well, and this is me, this is how I trade. So moving on, we go into GBP. Okay, let's start with NAS100. So on NAS, guys, I still feel like, according to price, I still feel like this might go down. I still feel like we haven't reached the turning point as yet, because yeah, maybe we might let's start here on the daily. Let's start here on the daily. So on the daily, we've been bearish since the beginning of the year. Since the beginning of the year, we've been bearish, and I still feel like we will continue to be bearish until maybe if we get around 1100. Let's hope so. The reason why I'm saying that is because ever since price broke the structure here, ever since price broke the structure, it hasn't been retested, and I just feel like this is just a retracement, or rather I just feel like this is a what do you call it? This is just a continuation pattern that's been created here. However, I think the last trade I took was around here. I took a trade here from here to here. I did get out of somewhere around here, because we had a sort of more like a head and shoulder right here. So I did take a buys here, and think I got out around here. So yeah, guys, so this is just me. As you can see, we have our first touch right here. So we have a touch. Let me use this one. We have one here. We have another one here. We have another touch right here, and we have another touch right here. And as you can see, guys, so we have 3 touches, and as you can see, we currently at this resistance. We just hit this resistance, guys. So hopefully price will reject, because like I said, on the daily time frame, we broke this one, and we never came to retest this area. So I just feel like we might continue with this movement, and if that doesn't happen, I'll start taking my buys if we break the structure. If we break, continue here. If we break here and come maybe retest there, come maybe retest around this area, then boom, price might go up, and price might continue to shoot up. And remember, guys, we must always be patient. And if that doesn't happen as well, these are just possibilities. Remember, guys, trading is a probability game. We just focus on what we see. Whatever price action is giving us, we trade that. So what will currently happen here? If that doesn't happen, okay, let me quickly remove this. So like I said, price maybe might come here, might reject there. Price might come reject here and come here, and possibly if we get a rejection, boom. These are possibilities that it's something that might happen in the market. Come reject here, then boom. Okay. Come reject here, and up we go. And remember, the trend line is just a guide on how we trade, and this is just all these are possibilities, guys. However, I still feel like the market will continue to go down. Like, remember, like I said, we have a continuation pattern being created here. Even this channel here, we might reject. Maybe if we do break this trend line, we'll continue until here. However, I'm not a swing trader, I'm a day trader. So guys, I'm in and out on the market within a day, but I still see the price coming around here, around this 1100s, the 11,11600. I still feel see price coming down here, because remember, like I said, on the daily, since we've ever broke this zone right here, we never came to retest this. So I think it's time now that we'll come and retest that area. So like I said, guys, this is just me analyzing. This is what I see, and you might have your own opinion as well, which is completely fine. And on NAS100, this is just what I see. I don't want to give out like call out this terminology that they're using and all that. I just trade what I see. So as you can see down at the 1 hour time frame, we did get a smaller rejection. And so what I'm looking on to capitalize, I'll just put a trend line here. And if we break the trend line, I'll start placing my buys. Like I said, guys, I'll wait for price to break this zone. If price do break this zone right here, I'll start with my sales. I'll enter my short position, which will be right here. Even though I don't use the stop loss on your indices, guys, but depending on how you trade, I don't use my stop loss. If you do use a stop loss, I just know how to manage my risk. So yeah, guys, we trade different, so I just don't use the stop loss. But however, what I will tell you is you need to manage your risk. So this is how I am planning to take this trade. So if maybe we do get, I'll just wait and see what's gonna happen. So I'll wait for the market to break this. If we don't break this one, we reject here, continuing with our bullish momentum, because what I see, like I said, I'm still seeing a continuation pattern being formed right here. I see a continuation being formed right here. So this is NAS100, guys. This is how I analyze, like I said. And yeah, if not, I'll take my buys somewhere around here if we do get that rejection. If we do break here, then I'll start my buys, because you never know. I'll wait for the market to break here. So I'll wait for the market to break here, then I come retest this one, then boom. And if that doesn't happen as well, I'll wait for price to come here, then boom. You understand? This is how I trade, guys. This is how I trade. So if we break this zone right here, we're continuing with our bearish momentum, and if we break, and if we reject rather on this zone, we are going on the upside. That's just it, guys. That's how I analyze. Nothing fancy. There's nothing or your big or terms or whatnot. This is just how I trade, guys. So I just look at what happens, then boom. So going to GU. So on GU, start to the daily time frame. And on GU, guys, on GU, yo. Alright, so on this, okay, let me remove this one. I don't know what was this doing here. So yeah, as you can see, guys, we've been in a bearish on this one. So I feel like the market is coming to do a lower high right here. So we might get a lower high here. The market is trying to create a lower high. So what I see happening here, we missed this whole entry here, which is completely fine. And what I see here the market doing is coming right here, maybe pushing further to the downside, because this is also a major resistance. This is also a major resistance. So price is taking time to break this. So this is just what I see. And if this doesn't happen, I'll start taking buys if we break this zone, because on the 4-hour time frame, yes, we managed to break this trend line. So if you want to, you can continue. You can just take the smaller buys from here, maybe to somewhere around here. You can take those buys here, because we did on Friday, we did break on this trend. So we might continue, since we are in a bearish trend. We might come retest there, and then boom, continue going downside. And if that doesn't happen as well, it's completely fine. We can break here, we might break here and wait for rejection, then boom, continue upside. That's just how I see GU, guys, happening, and that's how I see GU happening. So yeah, that's it from me, guys. If you have any questions, you have something to comment on, do so on the comment section below. Yeah, that's it. We'll see how the market plays out. We'll see how the market plays out during the week. And yeah, I'll probably do another video on how the market went. But yeah, this is what I see happening on GU, NAS100, and gold. So I'll see you on Wednesday when I finally drop that chat I had with Sia. So not Sia, Sponiso. Yeah, Sponiso. Sorry about that, my dog. So yeah, I had a chat with Sia. So yeah, you'll probably see me on the screens on Wednesday when that podcast drop. And we currently giving away, I forgot to mention this one, we're currently giving away 5 lucky people a course, an online course to be specific, and which would be a 3 month course, a 3 months mentorship, and free, guys. It's totally free, and all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like all our social media page, and share. Share, tag, yeah, you share and you tag. Then yeah, guys, it's just a giveaway. I feel like it's for my gift to you, for always being on the channel and supporting what I do. So yeah, I mean, who doesn't like free things? So that's happening right now. The closing date, it's on the 18th, between before 3 p.m. because I'll announce those people before 3 p.m. So you can still pick. And another thing is that the chances of you getting winning that giveaway, the more people you tag, the higher the chances you can get. So yeah, guys, that's it from me. I wanted to keep this video short and very simple. So yeah, till we meet again, guys, on Wednesday. Peace out.